موشک همین الان اسرائیل حمله کرد به صورت زنده موشک زدن و احتمالاً کشته داده اینجا مردم داشتن ولی
Images released following the attacks on Tehran show moments of explosions and destruction. The Israeli strikes on the nuclear research center and military bases located in Tabriz caused powerful explosions and widespread destruction in the area. In recent hours, under the precise command of the Intelligence Directorate, Israeli Air Force jets have launched large-scale attacks on air defense systems located in the western region of Iran's regime. During the strikes, dozens of radars and surface-to-air missile systems were destroyed. Throughout the conflict, the Israeli Defense Forces have systematically targeted the air defense systems of the Iranian regime and its allies across the Middle East. These strikes expand the Israeli Air Force's freedom of movement in the airspace, said a statement from the Israeli Army's press service. Home of Iranian nuclear scientist Ahmadreza Zulfikar report, hit in Israeli attack. It is reported that, overall, 6 nuclear scientists have been killed. Israel destroys 2 reactors, underground missile nuclear complex, nuclear technology center, and Iranian laboratory. It has also been reported that a military base located in the city of Boruherd was targeted in the Israeli strike.
آره